Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about something that plays a very important role in every construction project. It is about procurement. Now I know this word might sound a little bit technical at first, but don't worry, I am going to break it down in a very simple and practical way so anyone can understand. If you are a student, a site engineer, quantity surveyor, or even someone planning to work in the GCC, this topic is very important for you because understanding the procurement helps you to see how a project actually moves from design to construction. So in this video, I'll walk you through the definition of the procurement and the main types of procurement used in the construction industry. Let's get started. Before we go into the types of procurement, let's first understand what procurement actually means. Procurement is simply the process of purchasing the goods and services from outside suppliers, vendors, and subcontractors in a planned way to meet the client's requirements while balancing the time, cost, quality, and project risk. So, in the current construction industry, we are using and experiencing with the below procurement methods such as traditional procurement, design and build procurement, construction management procurement, management contracting procurement, partnering approach, and public private partnerships. First, we have the traditional procurement method. This is one of the most commonly used procurement method. In this procurement method, client completes the full design before going to the tender. Once the tender is processed and the contractor is selected and the project is awarded, the contractor's role is very simple. He has to build exactly what has already been designed by the client's team. So in short, we can say design comes first, then the construction means it is traditional procurement method. The next we have the design and build procurement method. In this method, things are a little bit different. Instead of separate parties handling the design and construction, a single contractor takes the responsibility for both design and construction. It means single point of responsibility by the contractor. It can save time, reduce coordination issues because the same team is handling everything from the design to execution. Moving on to the construction management procurement. So in this procurement method, the client appoints a construction manager to oversee the entire project, but the actual work is carried out by multiple package contractors. These contractors are directly contracted with the client. The construction manager's job is to coordinate, manage, and make sure everything runs smoothly on the site. So think a person who is controlling the overall process while different contractors handle different parts of the work. So that is construction management procurement. Then we have management contracting. This may sound similar, but there's a key difference. In this case, the client appoints a management contractor. This management contractor then enters into the contract with the package contractors. So here, the contractual link is between the management contractor and the package contractors, not directly with the client. So the management contractor manage and administrate all the work packages to complete the project. So that is management contracting. Now let's talk about the partnering approach. This is not exactly a procurement method, but it's a way of working. So it's a collaborative approach where the client, contractor, and other project stakeholders work together as partners. The main focus of this partnering approach is to build trust, teamwork, and sharing the goals rather than stricting on contractual boundaries. It helps to improve the communication and it can lead better project outcomes. Finally, we have public-private partnership, also known as PPP. This is where the public sector, like government organizations, collaborates with private companies to deliver a project or service. In this arrangement, the private sector may be involved in financing, designing, and constructing, even operating the project. It is commonly used for large-scale infrastructure projects. So these are the key procurement methods you need to understand in the construction industry. Each method has its own advantages depending on the project requirements, timeline, risk, and complexity. So in the next video, We'll go deeper into when to use each procurement methods in real life projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.